In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. President Putin voices support for Afghanistan. New projects integrated at Herat Grand Mosque. And Ahmad al-Shar to visit Germany. Welcome to the news package. It's Saturday, the 27th of Rajab al-Murajab 1447, the 27th of Jaddi 1404, and the 16th of January 2026. The news details. The embassy of Afghanistan in Russia is stated Vladimir Putin, the president of Russian Federation, during a ceremony for the presentation of credentials by several ambassadors, including the ambassador of Afghanistan, praised the efforts of the Islamic Emirate in combating narcotics and strengthening security in Afghanistan. In his speech, the Russian president stated that his country supports a united, independent and peaceful Afghanistan and believes in enhancing regional stability, security and constructive engagement. It was noted that Vladimir Putin last week formally accepted the credential of Maulavi Gul Hassan Hassan, the ambassador of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in Moscow. Officials from Herat Directorate of Information and Culture expressed that reconstruction work of the park of the Great Grand Mosque has been completed and will soon be officially inaugurated. Based on the statement given, restoration work on several other historical monuments across the province is also ongoing on continuous basis. Meanwhile, officials of the Turkish Cooperation and Coordination Agency TK, which implemented the reconstruction project, state that supporting cultural and historical project is part of the agency's long-lasting commitments. The news continuation. The signboards of 5 major intersections in Sarapul city have been officially installed under the names of Independence, Press, Culture, Unity, and City Center. The Minister of Information and Culture expresses those names were carried out based on a proposal from the Sarapul provincial authorities and after review and approval by the Ministry's Commission for Naming Intersection and Sacred Sites. The move aims to strengthen cultural and national identity, promote social cohesion, improve urban order, and facilitate address identification. And ultimately, Ahmad al-Shar, the president of Syria, is scheduled to travel to Germany on an official visit on Tuesday of the current week. The Syrian state news agency Sana reports that Mr. al-Shar is expected to meet Frank-Walter Steinmeier, the president of Germany, in Berlin to discuss the expansion of bilateral relations. It is noteworthy that Germany reopened its embassy in Damascus on March 2025 after closure of 13 years. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.